Using your knee sled. Achieving proper knee flexion is a critical part of the rehabilitation process following knee surgery or injury. The knee sled is designed to help improve your range of motion and joint strength, and it is comprised of 3 parts: a sliding blue sled, a rope-based pulley system, and tension bands for strength training. The sled is designed to allow the unit to slide easily on the bed or any flat surface. The non-slip pad lining the inside of the sled, along with the pulley system, secure your foot onto the knee sled and allows you to control the movements. When getting ready to use the knee sled, slide your foot into the base unit and position it so that the foam strap is on the top of your foot. Then, using the rope locking rings, adjust the length of the rope handle to best meet your needs. Now, pull the rope handles back towards your body. The pulley system will tighten the foam pad, which will secure your foot onto the sled. Now you are ready to start your knee exercises. To begin, lay down using a pillow behind your head for comfort and straighten your leg as best as you can. Then, slowly slide your heel back towards your glutes, keeping your heel on the bed. Pull back on the rope to assist you. Continue to slide your heel and bend your knee until it becomes slightly uncomfortable as you feel some pressure inside your knee. At this point, stop bending your knee and extend your knee back out. Repeat this motion as instructed. The goal is to increase your range of motion every day. As you feel better, you will be able to perform additional exercises with the knee sled. For example, you can perform hamstring stretches by keeping your knee as straight as possible and pulling up and back on the rope. You can perform glute stretches by bending your knee and pulling straight back. You can exercise your knee through a variety of planes and even simulate walking or riding a bicycle.